Hey guys, this is Abhishek and today I'm going to tell you how you can actually use a Nokia Lumia 520. So in this video, in the next 5 minutes 20 seconds, I'm going to tell you how you can use this phone in an unknown city where you don't know where to stay, where to go, and you don't even know the routes where you want to actually land up. So I'm going to showcase the possibility of this device, and I have to attend a meeting here in Delhi and I don't know the route. I have to reach to Oberoi Hotel. I'll be using this phone to actually navigate to that particular hotel. This is my friend car which I have with me, and I will be using this phone to navigate to that particular address, and I will be using the offline navigation. So I'm new in the city and I don't have a cell phone connection as of now. So I have already downloaded the Nokia Maps for Delhi, the offline maps, and I will be using the Nokia Here Maps. So as you can see, I have just located the Oberoi Hotel where I need to go for the meeting. It is around 11 minutes away from this place. And let's start the navigation. So it is 7.9 kilometers away from here and around 12 minutes. So let's start.
After 600 meters, keep right. After 250 meters, keep right.
So as you can see, till now it is giving all the right directions, and again these directions are being given with the that voice data is again offline, the map data is again offline. Everything is just working on this phone in the offline mode. There is no internet connectivity as of now. Either it is Wi-Fi or it is cellular, and it is giving us all the directions.
Keep right.
One more thing I would like to tell you is that when I was coming to Delhi, I downloaded some music on Nokia Lumia 520, and that music is actually in offline mode. So right now the navigation is working in the background, and if I want to listen some music, I can actually go to my music, because all the music songs which I have downloaded from the Nokia Music Store, I can play the songs which are from the latest movies. As you can see, I have downloaded this particular song.
After 200 meters, keep left.
And I can listen to this song and still keep on driving and using the navigation system.
Now keep
playing. The navigation is also working. So the phone is right now multitasking without any problem. Such an affordable price phone which is actually multitasking in between listening songs and navigation, which is again working in the background, giving you all the voice guided navigation, so you don't even have to look on the maps, is again pretty amazing.
After 700 meters, keep right.
So as you can see, it has actually make us reach to this particular destination. We have reached the Oberoi Hotel, as you can see over here, and I will attend my meeting over here, and then I will use this phone again. Right now in the hotel, and I have got some Wi-Fi connectivity, and I'm downloading the Zomato app because I need to go to a restaurant after this meeting for some food. I'm feeling very hungry. The meeting is over and I'm going to locate a restaurant here with the Zomato app on Nokia Lumia 520. See the rates, the location, the reviews of that particular restaurant, and then I can go here with the help of the Bing Maps. So now my entire day is over, and Nokia Lumia 520 in this unknown city has helped me a lot. Now the battery is only 22%, and I will turn on the battery saver. So when I get to the hotel, the battery should not die. I should be able to receive all the important calls. So I will use the battery saver feature which is there in the settings, and under battery saver feature I will turn this on so that the battery is on conservative mode, so that it doesn't die out. So after turning on the battery saver, it is only 22% battery. So this will help me a lot to save the battery till the time I reach the hotel and I charge this particular phone. So that's all from us. In the last 5 minutes 20 seconds, I actually showcased you the different functionalities and the capabilities of this phone, which can actually help you reach to a location in an unknown city where you don't even know the routes. It can help you to save the battery in case you are actually experiencing low battery on the device, and then you can still make the phone last for much longer hours. This phone comes at a very affordable price of around 10,000 Indian rupees, which is again pretty affordable for any Indian out there.